Hi guys, in this video I'll be teaching you guys a simple strategy using my real expert option account. Without further ado, let's go to the video. The strategy that I'm using today is the same strategy as the previous video. If you did not watch it, I will teach it in this video. First, I'm going to wait until the perfect time to place a trade and show you guys that this strategy actually works. As I'm always saying, I'm only putting a $1 trade to minimize the risk. If you only have $100 or less, never place a trade above $5. This will quickly drain your account's money and you won't be able to trade anymore. First put small trades and build up your real account money. After you have more than $300, $400, you can place big trades like $20 or $30. Okay, I've placed my order at the perfect moment. Now we'll have to wait until we get the result. As you guys can see, I won that trade and got back 80% profit. Now I'll again explain the strategy I'm using. This strategy is a very easy method to get good results while trading on expert option. Whenever the market hits a peak of its trend, we can place the trade to the opposite side of the trend. This will reduce the chances of losing and will give you high winning rate. We can identify this by looking at the indicator right here. This indicator will show whenever the market hits its trend. If the market line is hitting the peak line like this, we can predict that market will change its direction and go the other way. In case you're wondering, I'm using this indicator on its default settings. Now I'll again show you guys some more trades. Make sure not to skip any part of the video. We'll have to wait until the perfect opportunity to trade. As you guys can see, I used the strategy carefully and won more than trades. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video like this.